Hi, my name is Adeline White with Farmers Feeding Utah and USU Extension, and today I want to show you guys how to make homemade whole wheat bread. I know homemade bread sometimes intimidates people because, at least for me, it's complicated and it can take all day long. But this recipe is super simple. There's literally 4 ingredients plus water, and it doesn't take long at all. So I'm excited for you guys to be able to have fresh, warm bread and to say that you made it yourself. So let's get started. I'll show you the ingredients. The fun thing about baking is that it's kind of like chemistry, if you're into that kind of stuff. All of these ingredients work together to make the bread rise, to make it taste like it tastes, and to make it fluffy, but not too fluffy, so it's perfect after it's baked. So you really do need every ingredient. It's not like the quesadillas we made last week, but all of these ingredients work together and make the bread as good as it is. So, I think my bread's done. I'm gonna check on it. Okay, it's doubled in size. I'll show you this way, which is awesome. That looks really good. Let's put it in the oven. Okay, I just pulled it out of the oven. Still warm and it smells so good. I'm gonna let it cool for a couple of minutes and then I cannot wait to cut into it. Thank you guys for joining me in making this whole wheat bread. I hope it becomes a go-to recipe for you guys because making bread is always so satisfying and so delicious. So, can't wait to try it. I'll see you guys next time.